What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing meatballs the way my mother used to make them. Saucy, rich, gravy, simple recipe. We're going to start with some 100% grass-fed, grass-finished ground beef. I'm going to plop that in the bowl and get that seasoned up real good. The usual suspects: salt, pepper, garlic powder, my boy Dano's. Yum yum, get you some. If you know, you know. Then I'll also throw some Parmesan cheese in there. We're gonna get these things weighed out, 1 ounce a piece, 16 ounces a pound, 16 balls. I was able to get 17. Throw these in the oven, let them roast just to sear up a little bit. The inside doesn't necessarily have to be done because they're going to finish off in the gravy. So let's get this gravy going. I got my onions, my mushrooms. Got one trying to get away, but I caught it. Nice shot. Let's get these mushrooms chopped down. I'm gonna put my butter and my avocado oil in the pan, and we're gonna saute these mushrooms and onions until the onions turn translucent. Meanwhile, meatballs are ready. Throw these bad boys in a bowl to get them ready to take a dive in the gravy. Let's put a little more butter in there. Then I like to use this gluten-free flour. Let that cook a little bit. Then I like to use this better than bouillon beef base flavor. I use this instead of broth. Just mix it with water. It's going to turn into gravy right before your eyes. I'm going to go ahead and scrape this pan to get all the bits that's on the bottom of the pan. That's the flavor. Add that to the gravy. Put the meatballs in. We're going to let them take a dip in the hot tub. The hot tub is bubbling. Cover it up, turn the heat down. Voila. There you have it. Saucy, flavorful meatballs. Let's plate it up. Got a ramekin of rice here. Toss them meatballs down on the side. Put a little gravy on top of that rice. And enjoy. What a treat. Hey, thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you will. Also, subscribe if you want to watch more. Peace.